Assalamualaikum students, how are you? How's your family? Hope very fine. This is your science teacher Afreen. Let's start with the date. Today is Sunday, 12th April 2020. Come on, take out your learner book, page number 40 and 41. Today we are going to revise the unit 4.2 and the topic is darkness. What is the topic? The topic is darkness. The unit is 4.2. Come on, take out your learner book, page number 40 and 41. Okay, when you will see the page number 40, there you will find a word darkness. Darkness means what? First look at the picture. You can see on the screen there is fully dark and one person is going. Okay, so the black side, you can say this is night time. Okay, so in the night time, why there is fully black? Okay, why there is fully black? Because there is no sunlight or any other source of light. So if no light, there will be black, and this blackness is called darkness. Okay, now look the first line on the screen. What is the meaning of darkness? Darkness means there is very little or no light. Means there is a very little show light or no light. And second sentence, look, in a dark area we can't see. If there is no light, not a very small light. Okay, so there we can't see. Like in the night time we can't see anything because if we are not using any man-made light source and no sun is there, so in a closed room we can't see anything because there is no light, because in the room there will be dark. So what is the meaning of darkness? Darkness means there is very little or no light. Now on your screen you can see another picture of darkness, and you can see between the two buildings there is a small sun is rising. It's some very early morning time, and because of not proper light you can't see the building clearly. Okay, you can see the building's outer structure. There is something, but what is the clear picture of building or mosque? You can't see. Why? Because there is not enough light. So we will say this is very low light or little light, so there is darkness. Now we have one question. Why do we need light? Before I explain you, if there is no light or little light, it will be dark. Okay, now the question is, why do we need the light? We need light to see properly. If there is no light, we can't see. Okay, look at the screen. There is a man and he is using torch. Why he is using torch? Because he is walking in a dark place, so he want to see the way, he want to see the path, so he is using a light source. Okay, why he is using the light source? Because he want to see properly. So same answer is for the question, why do we need light? We need the light to see properly. If there is no light or little light, we can't see properly, we can't see clearly. Okay, so we need light to see anything, to see something. Okay, now we have another question. What do we need to see in the dark? If we want to see in the dark, what we need? So what is the answer? We can use any light sources like torch, candle, bulb, lamp, etc. In the dark means there will be no sunlight, so in the absence of sunlight there will be dark, so we can use torch, candle, bulb, lamp or any other man-made light sources. And in the daytime there is sun, so mostly we don't need of any man-made light sources, so we can see with the help of sunlight. But if there is no sunlight, there is dark, so we are using the man-made light sources. You can see on your screen there are the pictures of candles, lamp and torch. So again I will repeat the question, what do we need to see in the dark? We can use any light sources like torch, candle, bulb, lamp, etc. Now today's notes are, we will write glossary. Number 1, darkness. What do you mean by darkness? Darkness means there is very little or no light. What is the spelling of darkness? D-A-R-K-N-E-S-S. Darkness. Darkness means there is very little or no light. And number 2, light. What is light? L-I-G-H-T. Light. Light means a bright glow from a light. From a light source that help us to see. Means suppose there is a light source like you can see the sun. You can take the example of candle. When we are looking the candle, there is a bright glowness. Glowness means shining. Okay, so from any light source a shining is coming, that is called light. Okay, and which help us to see. So what we will write about the light? Bright glow from a light source that help us to see. Okay, thank you students. Study well and learn your notes properly. Thank you. Bye bye.